prepárense todos. Empezamos con esta canción. Me gusta vivir de noche. Damas y caballeros, recuerden que el estrés y la tristeza son nocivos para la salud.
Alright, we just moved into the condo here. We're ready for dinner. We're gonna go to a restaurant that's right across the street. Literally can see it outside of our window. It's called the Caribbean Garden, that's right. Caribbean Garden. I'm glad I bring her because I can never remember the names of things. But the Caribbean Garden, we're gonna walk out our front door. It's literally 30 feet across the street. So let's go check it out. Morning. It's morning of day 2, I guess it would be. We're here inside of our Airbnb or VRBO, I guess we got, and I'm gonna do a tour of that separately because I could not find anything on YouTube about it at all. So I'd like to show it. It's a pretty nice place. It's centrally located on the island. But I'll do a thorough walkthrough of our unit. I think there's 4 other units that are connected to this, and then there's an upstairs area with a splash pool and stuff. But I'd like to do a thorough video. I may do a separate video of that, just so people can search it and find it. But anyway, right now we're gonna, we've got a full kitchen, so we're gonna actually go to Chedraui, the local grocery store. It's about a 10-minute walk, excuse me, a 10-minute walk from here. And I don't know, I'll film some stuff along the way and then film inside the store. We'll go see what it's about. Smells so good in here. Smells like fresh goods. That was nice. I'll check out. Feels like a Meijer. More than like a Costco, but
Are you filming?
I am, yeah.
I have like a pop-up thing. She's a plastic bag.
I have to find some fun snacks and stuff. Oh.
Something like that to take our laundry.
Yeah. I want to find some fun things that we don't have. It's just cool, the packaging is just different, you know?
That sounds good.
That looks good.
Maryland, get one from the British.
There's all the fresh baked stuff over here. Oh my goodness. What is this stuff? My goodness, this is why it smells so good in here. This is a dangerous aisle. Alright, got our haul. That's a little chaotic checking out, but I'm glad you had those plastic bags.
I know.
put my hat beside my dry bag. Okay, well, here we are. We're still not up on the very north end where the where Mia Reef is and stuff, but there's nobody down here, so I don't.
Well, we can just get a lay of the land.
That's kind of what I was doing on the way here, looking out the window and stuff.
I'm kind of not mad at this. It's fun. Like, I bet normally this is like so crazy busy. We could totally throw our towels down and jump in right here.
And the water is so aqua blue in here.
Yeah, but this is like prime. Look at this. This is fake.
I know.
This is fake. This is amazing. It's like kind of
Huh? For a minute, yeah. So we just came out of the Super Key. We both got a little fun drink. We got some limes, but I got this little crystal, I think it's a strawberry flavored. And Sarah got...
I don't know.
I don't
Some
know.
kind of fun juice thing.
Yeah. So you want to crack yours and see how you like yours? Let us know if it's a juice or if it's a soda. I don't know. Is it fizzy?
Yum. It's perfection.
What is it? Is it like
It's a juice.
It's a juice.
Yeah.
There's no carbonation or
Fruit
anything.
punch, yeah. It's delicious.
All right. Let's try the bun.
Looks
like a-
holding it the right way.
Yeah. This looks like a red pop or something.
Oh yeah.
It's exactly what it reminds me of. It's not quite as there's not as much like flavors.
Uh-huh.
Like the Faygo red pop for people that are from Michigan. Sure. It's good.
Yeah. It's just nice.
Sure. Alright. And then I got a I don't know if they have these in the US or not, but Dr. Pepper Dark Berry. I don't know, I'll give that a try when I finish the other one. I'm gonna finish this one, other one first.